In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Docs from one account to another in just 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing documents for work, school, or personal projects, transferring them between accounts is a fundamental skill that comes in handy more often than you might think. So let's jump right in and get those documents moving effortlessly. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. Any modern browser will work just fine. Once there, simply search for Google Docs. You might find it useful to bookmark the Google Docs homepage for quick access in future sessions. When you arrive on the Google Docs webpage, go ahead and click on the link to open it. This will take you directly to your Google Docs interface, where you can see all your documents lined up. If you aren't already logged in, this is the time to do so. Enter your Google account credentials to access your documents. If you're juggling multiple accounts, just double-check that you're logged into the right one. Now with your docs open, look at the top left corner of your screen beside the document's title. Here, you'll find a Move icon. Give this a click. It's designed to help you shift your document into another folder right within this account if needed, but hold off on that for now. We'll be moving accounts today. Next, you'll want to click on the Open in New Tab icon, which appears beside the folder where your document is saved in your drive. This will open your drive in a new separate tab for an easier view and better control over your documents. To move a Google document from one account to another, a slight trick is involved. You'll need to transfer the ownership of the document to a different Google Drive user. Here's how to do that. Locate and click on the Share icon at the top right of the document window. Make sure the document is shared with the person who will be the new owner. If it isn't already shared, you'll want to add the recipient's email right there. Once shared, look for the Access drop-down, which is typically set to Editor. Click on it and select the Transfer Ownership option. A pop-up will appear, confirming this action. When you're ready, click on Send Invitation. Remember, as soon as the receiver confirms the invitation, the ownership will officially be transferred. They'll now have control over the document from their own account, and you'll have successfully moved your Google Doc. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By following these simple steps, you'll be efficiently managing your documents between different Google accounts in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!